Good morning, first graders, or good afternoon, actually. The first thing you do is always the same. Pick up your pencil and write your name. Please do that now. All right, problems 1, 2, and 3 are match the box to the unknown partner. So here's your unknown partner, or here's the box, and one of these three numbers is the unknown that goes in the box. So 9 plus what number equals 15? Draw a line from this dot box to either 9, 6, or 7. Which one of these is the unknown? 9, 6, or 7? Draw a line from there to the number that fits there. 8 plus an unknown number equals 15. Which one of these is that unknown number? 8 plus an unknown number equals 17. All right, go ahead and pause and solve. Problem number 4, 5, and 6 are story problems. We will work through each one by one. It says, Beth has 16 bagels. She gives 8 to her friends. How many bagels does Beth have now? Okay, let's reread it again and make sense. Beth has 16 bagels. She gives 8 to her friends. How many bagels does she have now? So we're starting off with 16. She gives away 8 to her friends. So set up your equation over here. Okay, we're trying to figure out how many she has left after she's given some away. Set up your equation, solve. The number goes here and your label, right here, your label is bagel. So you're going to write the word bagel right there. Pause if you need more time. Press play when you're ready to begin. Problem number 5, it says, Meg has 6 books. Jen gives her more books. Oh, sorry. Let me read that again. Jen gives her some more books. Now Meg has 11 books. How many books does Jen give Meg? Okay, let's make sense of the problem. Meg has 6 books. Okay. Jen gives her some, there's a key word, more, another key word, books. Now Meg has 11 books. Okay. We want to know how many books Jen gave Meg. So Meg starts with 6. Jen gives her some more. Now she has 11. How many books did Jen give her? Start off with your equation over here. Solve it. The number goes here and the label is book. Pause to solve. Press play when you're ready to begin. Lewis has 7 blue pens, 4 red pens, and 3 green pens. How many pens does Lewis have? Okay, let's make sense of the problem and reread it. Lewis has 7 blue pens, 4 red pens, and 3 green pens. How many pens does Lewis have? All right, this is a 1, 2, 3 add-in problem. Set it up over here. See if you can find some friendly numbers. Remember, number goes here. The label is pen. Pause to solve. Press play when you're ready to begin. All right, we're going on the back page. It's going to say problem number 7 up in the corner. All right. These 3 problems, it wants to know, is the sentence true? Choose yes or no. Does 14 take away 8 equal 5? Yes or no? Please don't guess on this. Try to solve it. You can solve it by making a 10 and going up, or going back from making a 10. Or maybe there's a doubles plus 1 or doubles plus 2 strategy you see for any of these problems, but make sure to solve them. Does 16 minus 7 equal 9? Yes or no? Does 17 minus 9 equal 8? Yes or no? Remember, solve these problems and decide if they are true, or if they are not, then no, they are false. Pause to solve. Press play when you're ready to begin. It says, start at 81, count, write the numbers through 110. So 81, 82, 83. Finish it off, these numbers. This is going to go up to 90. And we start down here at 91. This will go up to 100. Start it here. This will be 101. We'll end at 110. Make sure to write in all the numbers and double check to make sure your numbers are facing the right way. Pause to solve. Press play when you're ready to begin. All right, number 9 is a 3-part problem. Okay, it says draw a picture to solve the story problem. So you're going to, 1, draw a picture. Then it says write a number sentence or write an equation over here. Okay, and then number 3, it said, and then your third step is answer the question right here. Okay, so let's start. There are 15 squirrels. Some are brown and 6 are gray. How many squirrels are brown? So let's go over that again. There are 15 squirrels. So we know how many there is altogether. Some are brown and 6 are gray. How many squirrels are brown? Okay, so we know how many there are to start. Okay, and we know that some of them are brown, so that's our unknown right here. And that 6 are gray. This is just the way I would do it. Again, you can come up with a different way, but for drawing a picture, I'd probably start off with a math mountain, kind of like this. And I'd write maybe a G over here on this side for the gray. And I might draw, 6 little circles to show my gray. Is that 4, 5, 6? And we have our total 15 squirrels all together. And then I might use a box here for the unknown. And these are going to be your brown squirrels. Okay, so this will work as a picture, but you still need to solve how many brown squirrels are there. Then you're going to write the equation. Look, it's a subtraction problem. Okay, so you remember you always have to start with the biggest number. Okay, and then for your third step, how many brown squirrels did you get? Write the number here, and the label is brown. Brown. So go ahead, pause and solve this problem. Remember 3 steps. First, draw a picture, then write the equation. Third, answer the problem, and don't forget the label. Pause to solve. Press play when you're ready to begin. All right, we're going to go on to the next page, which has the numbers 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 at the top. All right, for these problems, you need to solve. Solve 57 plus 20, 80 minus 40, 80 plus an unknown number equals 100. Think about your friends of 10. You can use that to help you figure out your friends of 100. 13 plus 16, 70 minus 50. All right, 90 minus a number equals 70. Again, first graders, think of these as how would you solve it with if they were, just 9 minus a number equals 7. But remember, you're dealing with 10, so you have to have that 0 there. You have all the space over here to use 10 sticks and 1s for your drawings if you need to. All right, so take a minute, solve these 6 problems. Press play when you're ready to begin. Okay, problem 16. There are 9 red crayons, 3 green crayons, and 7 blue crayons in the box. How many crayons are in the box? All right, this is a 3 add-in problem. There are 9 red crayons, 3 green crayons, and 7 blue crayons in the box. How many crayons are in the box? Go ahead and write your equation over here if you need to. Remember, find those friends of 10. They help you. Once you have 10, it's always easy to add ones to a 10. So again, add them up, and your answer is either going to be 10, 16, or 19. Pause to solve. Press play when you're ready to begin. All right, 17 says count backwards from 118. You're counting backwards. So this would be 118, 117, and keep it going 3 more times. Pause to solve. Press play when you're ready to begin. All right, if you remember from the day we did the number path, extend the number pattern, look at your number pattern here. Okay, look on your desks if you need to use the 100 chart to figure it out. How much is it growing by? And it's got to keep growing 3 more times. Okay, what? So we have 53, 58, 63, 68. Okay, what will come next in our pattern is going to grow the same amount. Press pause to solve. Press play when you're ready to begin. All right, we're on the last page and there's 2 problems here. Whoa, crazy, sorry. Last page, problem 19. All right, oh, for crying out loud, 19. Okay, it says there are 12 boys and girls on the bus. How many boys and girls can there be? Choose all the possible answers. Okay, so we have 12 kiddos on the bus. Some are girls and some are boys. What are all the different ways that could be? Could there be 2 boys and 14 girls? Does that seem reasonable? 2 boys and 10 girls? 3 boys and 9 girls? 4 boys and 6 girls? And 5 boys and 7 girls? I'm going to give you one clue here. There are 3 of these combinations make 12. 3 make 12. So you have to color in 3 dots that make 12. Go ahead, pause to solve. Press play when you're ready to begin. Okay. This one says draw 20 to 30 more triangles. Ring the 10 groups, count by 10s and 1s. All right. So first, draw 20 to 30. So you can pick any number between 20 and 30. And you're going to draw triangles. Okay, dot, dot, dot. Okay, you can choose to draw 20 triangles and keep it simple. You can choose to draw 23 triangles if you'd like. Okay, so that's the first step. Second step is then you have to ring 10 groups. So that's a 10 group, 10 group. Okay. You also need to ring your 10 groups here if triangles. Okay. And what it wants you to do is count by 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40. And then how many 10 groups do you have over here? And then don't forget to count the ones. Write that number here. And then the last one is 10 less and 10 more. Okay. You know what, first graders, I'm gonna cross off a step here. Can you rewind for a second? We're not gonna do this. You do not need to draw 10 to 20 triangles. Don't even worry about it. That's ridiculous. It's a pain. So hear me out again. You do not need to draw, you do not need to add any triangles to this, okay? No triangles. All you need to do, first graders, is ring the 10 groups. So here's a group of 10, 10, 10, 10. Count these, write your number here. So how many triangles do you see here? Put that there. Okay, what is 10 less than this number and what is 10 more than this number? That's it. Okay, so please ignore my last thing. Again, ring the 10 groups and count by tens and then by ones. Write the number here. What number is 10 less than this number and 10 more than this number? Okay, pause to solve. Press play when you're ready to begin. All right, first graders, you are at the end of Unit 5 test. Please make sure your name is on the test, go over any problems you may have skipped, and then leave the test on your desk. If you have time, you may go on one of our approved apps. That could be ABC Mouse, IXL, Prodigy, Epic, Splash Learn, Kids A to Z, eSpark, Lalilo, and Freckles. Okay, thank you. Good job.